Hey, fun fact, did you know that moss can speed up the granule loss on your roof? And do you know why that's important and good to recognize? Is because we live, or if you live in North Idaho in Sandpoint, you have a shingle roof, or you know anybody that has a shingle roof, you've probably seen moss on their roof. It's like a very common thing. Problem is, it's not a good thing. It can speed up the granule loss, which is the protective layer on your shingles, and then also it collects moisture and hangs onto it. So now your roof is just saturated and soaked with water for a lot longer than it should be. And it also can grow up underneath the lips of the shingles and start peeling away at the adhesive layer. So if you have moss on your roof, or you know somebody who has moss on the roof, give them a friendly reminder to get that off of there, because it's not great. Don't scrub it though. Don't brush it off, because that will also peel off the granules. So you want to make sure that you do a nice spray on it.